first video I'm going to show you is called Funny Kitten Can't Jump. I'm sure many of you have seen it. If you go to the browse pets and animals and then go to this week, well, it was actually last week. It was put up July 31st of this year and it got 1.1 million views. At least that's when I last read the views. It could be more now, but I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, it was really funny. This little kitten tries jumping off the dining room table, and he didn't quite go to the railing he was aiming for, which was at least this far away from the table. Or more than that, anyway. So, here it is. Okay, so do you see that epic jump? Here it is. Oh, there's an epic jump. Okay, anyway, so the second video I'm going to show you is called Techno Dog. There was multiple videos of this up on YouTube of this video. The one I had seen had 330,000 views on it. It was put up the 30th of July. So this dog, I don't know what they gave to this dog, but it was just really creepy, and I wasn't really creepy. It was hilarious, but a little bit disturbing because the dog was like, I don't know, just here it is, watch.
Танцы в свете ярких ламп, наша жизнь — это памп.
And the third and final video I'm going to show you. This one wasn't as funny. I should have showed the kitten one last, but oh well, who cares. The third one is called Two Cute Bunnies Licking Each Other. I was like, what? So I clicked on it and I watched it. The whole thing isn't funny, just this one part. The one rabbit is just laying there, and then the other one's like hugging him and licking his face. It's just a little bit disturbing if you ask me, but anyway. That one didn't get very many views. It was put up the 6th of August. Excuse me. And it got roughly 2,000 views. I think it was just a little bit more than that. I don't know. But anyway, here it is. So that's all I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed. So, the video should be up Tuesday next week. I promise it'll be up Tuesday, for sure. Anyway, that's all I have. I hope you liked this episode. I know I'm just repeating myself. Anyway, see you all next Tuesday.